It wasn't that hard waking up this morning?
No, actually.
Christmas break is over. I know, you guys are up way earlier than normal. I couldn't sleep because I don't know why I was nervous. Cute outfits, guys. Are any of those Christmas clothes, Bray? No?
I was wearing my cheer outfit, so I can't wear a cute outfit.
You do look cute. Look at Winston's. You ready for school?
Yeah.
Ready to go back?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, have a good day.
Right, love you, Mom.
Love you.
Hey guys, wait for me.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, love you.
Bye, love you. Are you guys both leaving right now?
Yep.
Bye.
Bye, Dad. Love you.
Now just give me 2 more hugs.
This one is not gonna cut off the
Cute.
circulation in my finger.
Is it?
Those
Those are cute.
Thanks.
They're 2 more hugs.
Have a good day. Bye-bye. Love you. Get dressed. I'm getting your breakfast. I can't even remember the last time that I ran. I don't think that I have exercised since maybe October. I don't even know if I did in October. I'm pretty positive that I didn't exercise at all in November or December. And I want to be excited, but I'm not. But I'm doing it anyways. And I have a terrible headache. Like, why do I have a headache? Why did I wake up with a headache today? But I'm doing it anyways. Now I am just going, like, I had all these big plans, you know, like at night. I don't know if you guys do this, but at night I'm like, I cannot wait for the morning. I'm gonna do this and this and this. I'm gonna answer all these emails. I'm gonna send all of this stuff. I'm gonna do all of this. I'm gonna do this exercise. I'm gonna do squats. I'm gonna do this and that. And then in the morning it's like, what? So today I'm just gonna run. And I feel, I mean, when I say I run, I just do like this little program that's like a half hour. But I just need to like get back into the groove of things, and I need to get moving again, and I'll see how I feel. Maybe I'll feel so good after I run for a little while. And I'll want to do some squats or some sit-ups or something else, but right now I don't want to do any of the above. So, well, guess what? My treadmill won't turn on. That's what I get. That's what I get for complaining. Sometimes this happens. Doesn't this look nice and disgusting? It's like, where have you been? My kids, I think, will play on this sometimes, or it gets unplugged and then it won't turn on. We've had this for such a long time. When did we get this? I think we've had this for like at least 6 years. And I used to run every single day. So, I mean, it's been worn out, but I don't think that it should not be turning on. I can't remember what I did last time. When I was running every single day, this happened, and it stressed me out so bad. Right now, I kind of feel like, oh. Okay, I'm officially just gonna clean up Christmas because my treadmill's not working. So I unplugged it. Maybe it just needs a little break. I don't know. Fingers crossed that it turns back on. Sometimes Casey can, slurpy. Sometimes Casey can fix things and I don't know how, but I think that I remember turning it off. Do you remember, Winston? Whoa.
No. I made a book.
Oh, Winston's working on a book. He's gonna put some papers together and then I'm gonna help him make a book. Very cool.
Avengers. What does this say?
That says in,
Avengers?
yeah, but it's Avengers with an A. Layla, have you been kissing the wall with lipstick on? I see a little kissy mark right there.
Me too.
And I saw one right there.
I stopped from kissing it.
Has anyone ever cleaned their house and they're like, oh yeah, everything's pretty clean and looking fine?
Well,
and then you get down here and it's a whole new world of grimy mess. Okay, sorry, Winston.
Avengers.
Uh-huh.
What does that say?
I don't know, honey. That's a Y? Yeah,
Oh.
Huh?
Oh.
Yuri.
No, I-T-N. Or in.
Written.
By Winston. Illustrated by Winston.
Great job.
And then this says we need the Finland stone.
Infinity stone?
Finland gauntlet. And I picked
Okay.
in my zone.
Mommy, they go like this. So
Oh,
it can look
no. Oh no. The Avengers came.
Good job. I can write Avengers for you if you want some help, or are you happy with that?
I decorated it.
Kind of happy.
Okay, I think that's
I'm gonna
great.
write my name. I'm gonna write some words.
Mommy,
like
I
that.
Okay.
decorated my book.
Oh my goodness, that is fabulous.
So these on obstacles, I put them on, and then I just like little face like a red or pink, and then this says
Pony, good. I love how creative you guys are. I love that you're always making new things. Did we talk about how you have some pink hair? Ooh, look at that. This is just like the Kristiness spray that you can put in, and it's like a rose gold. And your hair smells so good.
I got my book.
Yeah. Okay, I'm looking for totes. When Winston is making things, I do think it is very, very important that they sound things out and write it the way that it sounds to them. And that is something that Winston's teacher has him do on his homework. I don't know, I just, after I got done, I was thinking, should I have corrected him, or should I just let him write words the way that they sound? It's so tricky right now because I want him to feel confident in sounding words out, but I also want to make sure that he is recognizing the different sounds and how they come together. So it's always a little bit tricky. I would love to know, for any of you who have children around the same age as Winston, what do you do? Do you kind of try to help him? Ultimately, I always let him decide if he wants some help, and I can help him and write it down for him, and sometimes he has us do that, or if he just wants to do it on his own. I love that he has the confidence to do that. And so anyways, I would love to know what you guys do. Do you correct your children and help them to kind of sound it out but spell it correct, or do you let them just do it on their own? I don't know, it's always tricky because, like I said, I want him to always have that confidence, and it's okay if he doesn't get it perfect the first time, because I see how his little mind is working and how he's putting the sounds together, and I'm so proud of that. So, and also, like, what a great thing to look back on. I'm excited that he's making this little book. I want to put it like in protective sheets and make a little book so that he can have that when he's older, because I think even in 2 or 3 years he'll look back on that book and it will make him happy, and just such a fun thing to see. So it's just always tricky. Parenting is always tricky. You think you have it figured out, and then you're reminded that you really, really don't. My kids are kind of just in different places when they started school. I think also what I've learned from that is that it's okay to just like honor where your kids are and to not stress too much, and to just work with them and to be easygoing on them and to be easygoing on yourself, because I feel like we have so many expectations that we put on ourselves as parents, and we want our kids to succeed, and that is so important. I do believe that encouraging them is the best thing that you can do, no matter what they're doing, even if you know they're messing up. If they're trying, just keep encouraging them. I don't know why I went off on this tangent. Hopefully someone needed to hear it because I've been talking for a really long time. Anyways, it's just interesting. Parenting is hard. I got a comment a few videos back, and they asked if I would talk a little bit more about parenting. I am no expert. I feel like a disaster most of the time, but I would be happy, more than happy, to share just what I've learned along the way. I have definitely learned a lot with each child and how different they are. And I mean, not only with like their education, but with their personalities. My kids are all so different. I'm really grateful for their patience with me most of the time. I'm missing a tote. How am I missing a tote? I feel like I'm missing a whole section of totes. What? Like this whole shelf had totes on it. What? Oh my gosh. What in the heck happened? How could I be missing those toes? I've looked in other rooms too. I don't know where they went. They disappeared.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of empty streets. Yesterday has gone to sleep.
Taking this down makes me the most sad.
So all that's left is you and me. I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade